Hello and welcome to another video. In this video we're going to show you how to select tones in the sequencer, including bank select. In a previous video we showed you how to select the program number, but a user, viewer, fan wrote and asked, how do we change bank select? Now we have already done that there, and so we know that it works. So if we press play now on the sequencer, we can see that the tone changes when it reaches a certain point in the sequencer. To do this, all we would have to do is to start an initialized sequence. But since we already have that, why not add another tone? So we press Shift Microscope, and we come down here and we notice that we have bank select 32 and program change. So to add another tone, we would simply have to copy that by holding down Shift and pressing the down arrow, and then we press the copy button, copy event, and then we go paste, execute, and it has put it there. Okay, if you can see that screen clearly, we want to have the bank select 0 as the first one, the bank select 32 as the second one, and then the program change as the last one. They must be in that order or it will not work. They must be separated by a few tick marks, but you would essentially want them to be in the same beat. We can also create them. For example, if we move it down here to the end of data and we click create, we would select control change, then we would rotate it backwards until it reads 0 bank select. Then we would come down and we would create another one, and this one we would rotate until it reads 32 bank select, 32 bank select, and then we would create another one, and this last one would be the program change. And the only thing now that we have to do is to set the numbers. We have to set the bank select 0, the bank select 32, and the program change. And you get those 3 sets of numbers from within the tone list. You can go on the Roland website and get the tone list, and you will see the numbers to every single tone that exists in the instrument. We picked 2 tones at random out of the synth sound list, and we are going to set synergistic on this one. So the bank, just come over here to the bank, is 87. The LSB of the bank is 69. And the program number is 74. And for the last one that created, we have 95. This is a synth poly key sound. So we go to 95 67, and the program number is 63. So that's our tone numbers, MSB, LSB and program change number on the right. And we can just press exit now, and when we play we will shift through those additional tones. Thanks for watching the Stephen Mendes channel, and we'll see you in the next video.